Introducing the sustainability platform of the future, EcoShop. Built by environment lovers like you, EcoShop lets you exchange pre-loved goods and find repair services faster and easier than ever. EcoShop is proudly powered by Huawei Cloud and its suite of services, turbocharging the platform to be the smartest and fastest one yet. Get started by registering an account and logging in. All of our account information is stored on Huawei DB, ensuring the highest level of security, responsiveness, and reliability. As a buyer, you can search for your desired goods or services. Thanks to Huawei DB's read replica technology, searching is lightning fast across both videos and product and service listings. To quickly narrow down your choices, you can filter your results like this. For those that prefer moving graphics than still images, our Instagram-style video platform will keep you entertained. Just like on social media, you can react to videos and share them. If the subject of the video interests you, simply swipe down to view the listing details. Else, you may swipe sideways to switch videos. EcoShop offers two ways to list items: the single creation mode and bulk creation mode. In the single creation mode, you can select an image and fill up the listing details. To streamline the process and make listing items less of a chore, EcoShop is equipped with advanced features to automatically fill in some information for you. Upon uploading an image, our smart AI engine scans the image, detecting the dominating object in it and automatically filling in the item name. This is powered by Huawei image recognition and has exceptional accuracy and speed. Besides extracting information from image, EcoShop's advanced natural language processing engine, hosted on Huawei Model Arts, can read and comprehend your written description and generate values to fill in for your custom attributes. Simply input the description and names of the attributes you wish to fill, then click on the Infer button. It is common for people to directly post a photo capturing the specifications of a product in text. Often, you will have to manually transcribe those into attributes for your listing. EcoShop will render this habit obsolete with our information extraction engine, powered by Huawei OCR. Simply upload a photo containing text and watch the attributes appear. It not only works for screenshots, but also labels on boxes. To use bulk listing, simply take a photo of all the items for sale and let EcoShop do the rest. Powered by Huawei image recognition, EcoShop is able to detect each individual item in a picture and allows you to select and list many items at once. If there are multiple objects of the same item, EcoShop helps you to count and group them under one listing, keeping the platform free from duplicated listings. For each selected item, intelligent features like automatically filling attributes are available too. As a seller, you cannot stay online forever. However, your buyers demand fast replies, and it strongly affects their willingness to deal. Besides, some buyers like the habit of reading descriptions, thus asking obvious questions that you may be tired of answering. EcoShop's chatbot feature helps to close these gaps. Powered by advanced NLP engine hosted on Huawei Model Arts, EcoShop is able to reply buyers' queries automatically when you are offline, and suggest replies to you when you are online.